Every journey begins with a note, and in Thailand, that note shines. The Ranat Ek, carved from Thai hardwood, strikes with a clarity that feels like morning light. It greets you gently with a warmth only Thailand can offer. Then, a breath rises, soft, ancient, alive. The Pinai moves like wind over rice fields, carrying stories passed from one generation to the next. It is a melody that remembers and invites you to remember with it. From stillness, the gong answers. Deep and steady, the Wong reminds us where we stand in a land shaped by tradition and softened by time. And when these voices come together, they don't just play, they welcome, they comfort, they remind us of home. This is the sound of Thailand, simple, timeless, and beautifully alive.